Text, page 37. Me and my magic cube. Tuesday the 10th of January. Hello, everybody. This is the first time I create a blog and post something on it. So, I am going to talk about myself because many people from different parts of the world do not know me. My name is Muhammad Islam Buhafs. I am 12. I live in Batna. My father is a journalist and my mother is a teacher. I have got one brother and two sisters. I am tall and slim. I have got dark hair and black eyes. My friends say that I look handsome. I don't know. I can solve the magic cube in 30 seconds. Every day, I train myself on the cube for 1 hour because I am getting ready for the International Magic Cube Championship. I live with my grandparents. Every weekend, I visit my aunt and uncle to play with my cousins. I love them very much because they are kind and nice to me. Text, page 68. I have 2 teenage children who love shopping for clothes. They go to the mall with their friends every Saturday. On school days, my son, Stan, likes to wear blue jeans and t-shirts. He only wears a suit on formal occasions like weddings or funerals. He feels comfortable wearing a jacket but not a tie. My daughter, Lily, likes to wear pants. She wears a dress or a skirt and blouse for parties or dinners. She doesn't feel comfortable in high-heeled shoes and loves wearing casual and sporty clothes. In winter, my children wear coats, hats and gloves on cold days. When they go skiing, they put on toques and mittens. My son doesn't like rainy days because he has to wear a raincoat and carry an umbrella. My daughter loves to wear a scarf. In the summer, Lily and Stan usually wear shorts, caps and sandals to the beach. Sometimes on weekends. We go walking to the mountains so they wear hiking boots and thick woolen socks to protect their feet and toes. Today is Saturday. My children come home with a bag of clothes each, 2 sweaters and a pair of leather shoes for Stan. For Lily, a black belt to wear with her blue dress, a pair of grey pants, a matching jacket and a green blouse. My children have no problem spending money. They think money grows on trees. Text, page 98. Hello, Nadia. You asked me last time to send you a copy of my diet plan but I can't find it anywhere. Anyway, I can remember almost everything Dr. Sandgate wrote. She recommends that a typical daily menu should be balanced, and include a salad at lunch, tomatoes, lettuce, olive oil and lemon, and a vegetable soup at dinner. One grilled turkey escalope for lunch on Monday, Wednesday and Friday and 1 grilled chicken leg for lunch on Tuesday and Thursday. Grilled fish for dinner at weekends. At lunch, I can take 2 boiled eggs instead of meat. 2 veg as side dishes every day at lunch and dinner, peas, carrots, green beans, cabbage or spinach. For dessert, I have to eat one fruit after each meal, apple, orange or strawberry. I have the right to eat one slice of wholemeal bread at each meal. I can drink only water or herbal teas. Every day, I have to breakfast on tea, cereals with skim milk and fresh squeezed lemon or orange juice. Oops! I forgot about the hardest part of this diet, exercise. I have to go to the gym every afternoon after school and do stretching for 1 hour. Plus riding the stationary, exercise, bike for half an hour. At weekends, I have to go jogging in the park near my home for 1 hour every morning. You and I can say bye to ketchup, mayo, chocolate and cheesy snacks. Keep in touch. All the best, Amy. Text. Page 132. An unforgettable journey to the south of Algeria. Itinerary. Part 1. London Tassili Najia. Day 1. We'll depart via London and Algiers to Biskra on scheduled flights. We'll arrive in Biskra late in the afternoon. The airport bus will transfer the group to the town youth hostel, where we'll have dinner and stay for the night. Day 2. We'll explore Biskra in the morning. The town is situated 400 kilometers southeast of Algiers. The Ziban capital has a long history marked by Berbers, Romans, Arabs, Turks and French. The old souk is well known for its spice shops. Tourists can still see traditional mud brick houses with small doors and windows, scattered in the middle of palm groves in Old Biskra. In the afternoon, our guide Ahmed will take us to Tolga, an oasis located 36 kilometers to the west of Biskra and famous for the quality of its dates called Deglet Nur. After dinner, 2 vans will drive us to Gardaya, where we'll spend the night in a local dormitory, to be continued. Text. Page 133. Itinerary. Part 2. London Tassili Najia. Day 3. We'll explore Gardaya in the morning in the company of Muhammad, our local guide. The Mazab capital was founded in 1048. It is situated 570 kilometers southwest of Biskra. It is built on a hill. The old Medina is beautiful with its souk, marketplace, its arcades, its whitewashed and red sandstone houses, and its typical old mosque minaret. In the afternoon, we'll visit Ben Iskan, one of the 5 oases of the Mazab Valley. We'll have Mekoi, whole barbecued lamb, in a palm grove. Don't forget that Mazab is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Day 4. A coach will take us to El Wed early in the morning. South Valley is situated about 450 kilometers northeast of Gardaya. The city with 1,000 domes is surrounded by palm groves and sand dunes. Old houses and buildings in South have domes instead of flat ceilings or roofs. This keeps the temperature cool in the summer. In the old souk, many traditional craft shops sell traditional rugs with different shapes, sizes, colors and prices. Omar, our Sufi guide, will show us around all these interesting places. The weather will be nice and sunny on days 3 and 4.